A sawtooth star is a great block for beginners to tackle because it's comprised of basic shapes, just squares and half-square triangles. I have a 6.5-inch square for my center and 3.5-inch squares for each corner. Since I want these half-square triangles to be 3 inches when complete, I'm starting with squares cut to 3 7/8. I'm going to match them right sides together and connect the diagonal with a line. Then I'm going to stitch on either side of that line using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Now cut the block in half along that diagonal line and we'll have 2 half-square triangles complete. Once I have all of my half-square triangles made and pressed, I'm going to stitch them together to form the points of my star. I'm going to connect 2 of my half-square triangle points to the center square using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Now I have all 3 columns built, so I'm going to stitch them together, matching my seams. And that's how you make a sawtooth star block.